Math 7, Lesson 12.5, Odds and Fairness. Odds are a way of expressing the likelihood of an event. So what that means is that the odds in favor of an event would be the number of favorable outcomes over the number of unfavorable outcomes. And the odds against an event are the opposite of that. It's the number of unfavorable events over the number of favorable events. A game is said to be fair if the number of favorable events equals the number of unfavorable events. So let's take a look at what that actually means. So we are going to first start by finding the odds in favor of and the odds against each outcome for rolling a 1 to 6 number cube. Write each pair of odds in its simplest form. So a number cube would be like a dice, and it has 6 sides. And what are our odds of getting an odd number? So an odd number would be 1, 3, 5. And so the favorable outcome would be 3. There's 3 different ways of getting an odd number. And there are also 3 ways of not getting an odd number. So that's the unfavorable. And so that's the odds, the favorable odds. It would be the same for if we were to find the odds against the outcome happening. There'd be 3 ways that it wouldn't happen over 3 ways that it could happen. So this one, and odds are written usually in a ratio form. So 3 to 3 would be, it's a 1 to 1 odds of it happening and a 1 to 1 odds of it not happening. So let's take a look at another one. A number, so we're going to roll the dice, and what are the odds of getting a number that's divisible by 3? Well, a number that would be divisible by 3 on dice are a 3 and a 6. So that is your favorable outcome. There are 2 different ways of that happening over your unfavorable. There are 4 ways that it wouldn't happen. So that's the odds of in favor. And the odds against it happening are the opposite, 4 over 2. And again, these are written as ratios. So 2 to 4 written as a ratio would be 1 to 2. 4 to 2 written as a ratio are 2 to 1. So as you can see, they're the reciprocal of each other. Let's do another one and to look at what fairness would be. Jim and Dylan play a game. If a coin lands on heads, Jim wins. If a coin lands on tails, Dan loses and Jim wins. Are both players equally likely to win the game? Explain. No, they're not, obviously. Jim wins every time. So it is not fair. So we would put that it is not a fair outcome. And the reason would be because Jim wins with either way. Jim wins. So it would not be fair. So that's what fairness means.